Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, guess whose Dollar Tree finally had the good? This one right here, mine. Yes, Lord. It's about time. When I got there, one of the cashiers said that she had just restocked. She said because as soon as she restocks, it's all gone. So I'm glad I got there just in time. And I just want to show you these little few things that I got. And by the way, I spent less than $20. Thank you very much. Okay, the first thing I was really excited to see were these little mats. I've been seeing people haul these little cutting mats. So I picked up two. Y'all see my mat just needs, yeah, I really need a new mat. This mat is just, yeah, we're going to keep going. I picked up this pack of really large butterflies. Now, why I picked those up, I don't know. I'm going to try to find something to put them on. Happy mail, love mail, if I ever do that. I got these rub-ons right here for my junk journal. And I'm trying to watch it so I won't do the glare thing. Because I got that ring light behind us right there. I got more of these. These are some stickers that I would like to use in my junk journaling. And this is another pack of rub-ons. And I've cut out a flower already to use. But I put that on some mail. Some love mail. I got these stencils. And it's cooking. And at some point in time I want to do another recipe album, and I want to use these to help decorate that album. What else I got in here? Okay, I got these spray bottles right here. And here they are. Got the spray bottles. I got these squeezed applicator bottles. My grandbaby wants to use them for oil. Now, oil of what? To do what with? I don't know, but I told her if she doesn't find them, she can have these. But I just picked them up. I don't know. I don't know what I would put in them, but I got them. I got these markers. These chalk, or no, I think it's one chalk marker. Yeah, this is one chalk marker, and it's white. And then I got these metallic markers. I don't think these are. No, they're not. They're just metallic markers. And I got them in. Oh, I got. This was this rose gold. Does it even say? Since so it doesn't have a color on here. I don't think. I don't see a color like officially written on here. So this one may be rose gold. This is blue. This is just gold. This is silver, and this seems to be a red color right here, or a pinky color. And the last thing I picked up was this right here. Now, we all know Beacon is a fairly decent brand. I have the Beacon fabric tag and the Beacon, what's the other one? The Beacon 3-in-1, which I don't know. What's the difference between the 3-in-1 and the fabric tag? Y'all let me know if you know. And now I have this foam and poster board adhesive. And I can get down with the foam because, you know, that foam will suck up your adhesive and won't nothing be sticking. So that's why I got this. Okay, guys, that is it for my small awesomeness of Dollar Tree haul. I want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I see you all in my next video. This is for the thumbnail. Bye-bye, love bugs.